Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to start immediately. Open Zee5 on the TV and display the device activation or QR screen so the code is visible. On your phone, open the Zee5 app and allow camera access. This is necessary for scanning. Make sure both devices are awake and on the same Wi-Fi network so the app can link the session. Once the QR is on screen and permissions are granted, hold your phone steady and frame the QR code inside the camera viewfinder to begin the read. Now you'll perform the actual scan and linkage. Tap the scan or cast icon in the Zee5 mobile app to open the QR scanner. The app uses your camera so steady hands help. Center the TV QR code within the on-screen guide and hold until the app recognizes it. This usually takes 1 to 3 seconds. Once the code is read, Zee5 validates the token with the TV. This step pairs your phone and the TV account, so make sure your network is stable while validation completes. Finish by accepting any pairing prompts that appear on your phone and on the TV. Once confirmed, the TV will show your profile and you can start streaming. If the scan doesn't work, don't panic. Use the manual activation code option shown on TV or restart the Zee5 app on both devices and try again. Troubleshooting tip: make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi and the phone camera is in focus with a clear line of sight. Poor lighting or wrong network is the most common cause of failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.